And we're going to start with a slip knot. So make a loop, go into the loop, grab the yarn, and that's your slip knot. Take your hook, I'm using a size 3.5, go into the loop and tighten it. And from here we will chain 41. So yarn over, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make 41 of these in total. And the last one, 41. So from here, we will start to make 2 single crochets in each chain. So starting from the second chain from the hook, so not the one that the hook is in, but the second. So go into that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, and one more in the same chain. Go into that same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, and continue to do the same in each chain. So 2 single crochets in each chain until the end. And as you make 2 chains each, you'll start to see this little coil happening. It starts to twirl on its own. So just keep doing this until the end, and I'll meet you there. So now I'm doing my last single crochet, and from here we will just pull the yarn and just cut off the extra. Like this. So now you have 2 strands at the end, and I'm just going to tie these 2 together. And this is what your coil should look like. So now you want to make 2 of these, and I'll show you how to assemble them. Once you have both coils finished, this is what they should look like. And now we're just going to twist them into each other. Now we'll create the wreath that we want. So you just want to intertwine them like this. And just keep doing that until the end. So I'm going from here, we're going to make this into a circle, like so. So I'm going to grab one end and maybe cut the extra so it's even and easier for us. Grab your needle, pull through, and I'm just going to attach these 2 ends together so they stay put. So I'm going to go in through here and come out. And I'll just go back in one more time. Like so. Now we can grab our other end. And I will also go through both of the coils. So 1 and 2, and pull through. Like so. And I'll go back in a few times so it's secure. And I'm just going to tie the two different coils together 2 times. Like so. And you have your little wreath. You can just cut this off, or you can weave it in through here and hide it. So I'll just cut off these ends right here. And I'm going to grab another piece of green yarn and just cut off a little bit, and I'm going to make the loop for it to be hanging off of. So I'll just make a knot right here. Just a regular knot. Like so. Cut off the extras. And I'll just take my wreath and find where the top part is here. And I'm just going to go in through just a random loop on top, like this. And to grab this yarn, pull through. And from here, I will go through the big loop and grab the yarn. Just pull. And this is what we'll hang it off of. And I will also grab some red yarn and make a little bow on top. So you can crochet an actual bow, or since this is so small, I'll just make a little bow out of just thin yarn. So let's see, which one do we want the front? So maybe this. I'm going to attach the red yarn like so, and just make a little bow. And just play around with it until you like the shape and the size. Like this. Yep. And I'll just cut off the length I like, maybe right here. And to match this way. And there you have it. That's your little ornament. Now you can do the same with different colors. So for example, you can do red and white like this and attach it the same way we did for this and cut off the ends. And from here you can grab a paper clip or floral wire or anything that you can maneuver like this, or even a bobby pin. So I'm just going to open up this paper clip as straight as I can, like so, and take your candy cane, and I'm going to put this through the front, the top of the candy cane, all the way, like this. You can see just in the middle. Just until the wire is hidden, like this, and from here you just bend the top and shape your candy cane. Like so. And you can do the same technique for here, so you can grab some scrap yarn. You can go into any loop here, or you can even go into the wire. Grab your yarn and pull it through. and just hide it. And there you go.